Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to our channel Prashad Putnuru. Today in this video, I'm going to read out one positive quote. It's going to be hard, but hard doesn't mean impossible. Hard, the meaning of the word hard is difficult. It's going to be difficult. That means if you start doing something, if you start learning something, it's going to be difficult. Okay, it won't be easy. Nothing is easy in the beginning. Whatever you take, learning alphabet was difficult in the beginning. Learning how to ride a bicycle was difficult in the beginning, but not now. Now it's easy for us. How to ride a bicycle, we all know. How to ride a bike, we know. But how did you feel in the beginning? In the beginning, you felt that it was very tough, right? So, learning a new language also same. When you start learning a new language, you feel like it's difficult. Okay, it's very tough, and you feel you may not achieve that. Okay, so you remove those, take out those negative thoughts from your mind. It is just difficult, that's all, because we are just beginners, that's why we feel. So we have to keep on doing that, keep on learning. Then one day we feel it's easy. Now in the beginning it is difficult. Because of that reason, don't give up. Don't give up on learning a language because it was difficult. It will be difficult, it is natural. Whatever you start learning, if you are new to that, you may feel difficulty. Okay, so it won't last for long. That feeling won't last for long when you keep on working on that. So my dear friends, your goal is to become a fluent speaker. Fluent, you want to speak English fluently. For that we have to put some sincere efforts. Before we start speaking, we have to start listening. We have to listen more. We have to listen more English content. We have to read, we have to speak, we have to write. In the beginning you may feel it is so tough, and many learners, they will give up. Because of that reason they will give up. You take anything, what is easy in the beginning? Nothing was easy in the beginning. Nothing. You take anything, everything we learnt with practice. Whatever is required, we learnt it. We put some efforts, we struggled, finally we learned it. So if you want to become a fluent speaker, you need to struggle a little bit. You need to put some sincere efforts in the beginning. You need to make a habit of speaking English round the clock. You need to create English environment around you. Okay, then it will be easy. So my dear friends, keep on learning, and don't get disappointed because it was difficult. It is going to be easy. You keep on trying, you keep on speaking, you keep on learning. You are not the same as you were yesterday. Day by day we are improving, we are adding new vocabulary to our language. We are learning it. We need to feel positive. And becoming fluent in English is possible when you feel positive. If you feel negative, that will be the demotivation for you, and you will stop learning, and you will stop watching, you will stop listening. So finally you will never be able to speak English. So think positive and see the improvement. Day by day you are improving, you are able to converse. You learnt English alphabet already, you know the basic phrases, basic words, and you are able to converse. Okay, you may not be the fluent speaker now, but you are able to converse, you are able to understand others language. So feel happy with that. Then definitely you will be able to speak English very well. So cultivate some habits, good habits: listening habits, reading habits, writing habits, and speaking habits. And these four things, we need to work on these four things. Okay, LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Please work on that every day. Regularly you have to work on these four skills. So you will be able to speak well, no doubt about it. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.